world, Shelly here, and you know what time it is. It's Boxycharm time. This is my December Boxycharm box, and I'm going to show you how I got this look wearing all of my Boxycharm goodies from December. If you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It's $21 a month, and for that $21, you get 4 to 5 full-size products in your Boxycharm box. And the retail value for all of the boxes I've gotten over this past year have always been over $100. Now, the retail value of the December box that I received was $131. So for my 21 bucks, I got $131 worth of stuff to try. So let's take a look at what is in this month's Boxycharm. This month, the theme is glitz and glam. They always give you an information card that has all the details about the products in your box on the back, which is awesome. So before I got to my Boxycharm products, I was trying out a new eyeshadow palette. I picked up, this thing is huge, the Morphe Dare to Create eyeshadow palette. I got it from Ulta. This is their holiday palette release. So I had that on my eyes to start out with. So first I decided to finish off my eyes with my Boxycharm. In the box we have from Tarte the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. Retail price is $23. A jet black vegan mascara that has a molded brush that grabs and coats even the tiniest lashes for 2,700% more volume. I've used this mascara before. It's not my favorite. The brush is super duper pokey. So if you have a tendency to poke yourself in the eye with your mascara brush, it's gonna hurt badly when you do it with this one. I poke myself in the eye quite a bit. Now, they claim to give all of this volume, but honestly, I would say my opinion of this mascara is that it does a really nice job of giving length, but the volume pretty much sucks. What it does on my lashes is it kind of clumps them together and turns them into spiky points. And that doesn't help me with volume. It makes me look like I have fewer lashes than I actually do. And I actually don't have too much of a problem with the number of lashes I've got. On me, it does give pretty good length. So I don't really, on my eyelashes anyway, don't agree with these claims. Not my favorite mascara. It is nice and black, but I don't think it gives very much volume. I like more volume in my mascara, so, you know, I'm glad to have another decent mascara, but it is not my favorite. Next, I've finished off my face, and first up is the Beauty Basics Bronze Essentials. This has a retail price of $39.95. You can use individually or mixed together for your ultimate bronze glow. And it is just a little palette here. Now, I looked at this and immediately thought, this is not gonna work on my skin tone. And I was pretty much right. So you've got this darker shade in the center. These look to be lighter, warm and cool toned, sort of, but they're very similar. This one's a little bit more orange. So let me swatch them for you guys. Left, center, right. So here we go, color-wise, and they're all really, really pretty orange. And you know, for my skin tone, not my super favorite thing. And then these center things look like they're supposed to be highlighters. They're both the same as far as I can tell, and when I swatch them, here we go, they're super, super powdery. Powdery, chunky, not so good. I had a tough time getting any color to show up. The only way I could get really anything to show up was to pat some powder on with my finger and then blend it out with a brush. So this doesn't work on my skin tone. Not a super big fan of the texture of this product. Not a fan. Didn't like it. Then we've got a blush palette, and this is from Real Her. It is the Blush Kit, retail price $32. Treat your cheeks to an instant natural glow with these 3 shimmery tones. Now, when I open this up, These are pretty loud in terms of color, so fair skin, it's tough. But this one looked a little bit cool toned. It's got some micro glitter in it, but it looked a little more cool toned, so I thought I might try to rescue the bronzer with that shade. And then, based on what I was wearing, I decided to try out this blush. They are a bit shimmery, but the center one's not super shimmery, so let me swatch these guys. Now, I found that the brown shade did work to sort of rescue the tone of the bronzer that I had going on. I kind of used it as contour. And the blush, while it is super pigmented, blended out beautifully, and I had no trouble with that. So I really do like where I ended up blush-wise using this product. So this one I will hang on to, and I think I will get good use out of it. I've had a few Real Her products from Boxycharm so far, and I've liked every one of them. I mean, it's not going to replace my holy grail blushes, which, you know, the Becca blushes and, you know, the butter blushes from Physicians Formula. I mean, they're all going to knock this out of the water for me, but I did enjoy this. I will continue to use it, and if I end up liking it even more, I'll keep you posted. We also got the joy of another brush, a crown brush. I love crown brushes. I'm always happy to get these in my Boxycharm because I have loved every single crown brush that I have gotten so far. This one's no exception. I really like this brush. It's denser than most of the blush brushes that I've got, but it's got a nice rounded sort of domed tip to it, and it's super soft, and it blended out product beautifully, so thumbs up to the crown brush. Last up, we have a lip from Pretty Vulgar. The only thing I have tried from this brand in the past is their foundation, which was a hot mess on me. Their packaging is gorgeous, but I didn't pick anything else up after I had a bad experience with that foundation. So this is called the My Lips Are Sealed Lightweight Liquid Lipstick. It's what I am wearing right now. Manufacturer's suggested retail price of $24. A highly pigmented liquid lipstick that provides a radiant metallic finish, nice comfortable creamy texture, and a citrus cordial flavor. Now, gotta say, don't like it so much. It's a little bit patchy. They claim highly pigmented, but I can still see my lip color coming through in splotches. It does feel comfortable. It does feel smooth. I have really dry lips right now, but this is not transfer proof. It's not gonna pass the kiss test. All over my hands. I won't buy another one. The metallic is that really cheesy kind of metallic. Like, it's not a sophisticated I'm just not a fan. Sorry. This is the first Boxycharm box I've received in about a year now that I'm not really thrilled about. There's some duds in here. I love the crown brush. I'll probably use the blush again, but that's kind of it. I didn't really like this box. However, I do recommend Boxycharm. This is my first dud in a year of boxes from Boxycharm. So I'm gonna give them a pass. I'm gonna keep on subscribing because I've loved every other box that I've gotten so far, and I'm just kind of bummed out with this one. The products are just not my favorite things. But if you would like to try Boxycharm yourself, I've got a link down below. Feel free to use that link to sign up. If you do, I will get $5 off my next Boxycharm box. But I do recommend them generally for, regardless of how you sign up. I don't review Boxycharm for the purpose of getting money for it. I love Boxycharm. I'm enjoying my subscription. I pay for my subscription myself, and I do recommend them regardless. This box was a bummer, but I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed because the spoilers that I've seen so far for January's box look thumbs up. So there you have it, my Boxycharm try-on for the month of December. If you would like me to continue doing this try-on format for my Boxycharm boxes, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell. You'll get notified when I post new videos, which is every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern. And thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.